Welcome to our comprehensive guide on moving your cryptocurrency from Robinhood to a cold wallet. But first, what are cold wallets and why are they crucial for your crypto security? Robinhood offers a user-friendly platform for trading cryptocurrencies. However, their withdrawal features come with limitations that may impact your investment safety. To transfer your crypto, you need to verify your identity. Let's walk through the steps needed to enable crypto transfers on the Robinhood app. Choosing the right cold wallet is essential. We'll compare hardware wallets that provide security and ease of use versus paper wallets that are simple but require careful handling. Now that you've chosen the right cold wallet, let's set it up to receive your cryptocurrency. Follow these simple instructions. It's time to execute the transfer. We'll go through the steps you need to follow on the Robinhood platform to ensure a successful transaction. After completing the transfer, you'll want to confirm that the funds have arrived in your cold wallet. Here's how to check. Security doesn't stop once you've transferred your crypto. Let's discuss best practices for storing your crypto securely in cold wallets. Sometimes, errors occur during the transfer process. We'll cover common issues and how to troubleshoot them effectively. In conclusion, using cold wallets significantly enhances your security and control over your cryptocurrency. Remember these tips as you safeguard your investments.